Audio Jungle.
Boom. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I figured I'd make an introductory video for my new 64 Impala. I believe it is a 409. If not, then it's probably a 5.3. I didn't really get a chance to take a look at it. She's actually pretty beautiful, as you can see. She even has Dayton's. We're gonna try and get this car ready for Street Car Takeover Maryland. The list is long, and hopefully I can stay to it and get this thing done. Yep, there you go. I have a Sniper EFI that I'm going to be putting in here. Yep. There are a couple of rust spots in the car, like on the bottom over here, in the front, and down here as well, and the same thing on the other side, but nothing we can't take care of here on the channel. I had the back seat in the trunk. It's a little surface rust on the trunk itself. Yeah, but overall, she's not that bad. As you can see, still looking bad as ever. Tore this baby. Got her on 4-jack stance. Yep. So my plans to get this car, or plan is to get this car to Street Car Takeover on August 10th, but we have a list of things we need to do. First of all, I have an issue with the ignition. For some reason, sometimes it gets positive feed, sometimes it doesn't, so I've been having to hot wire the car using a white cable that I have, giving it positive directly to the ignition. So I definitely got to get that taken care of. The guy that I got the car from actually has a wiring kit that I will be installing. All right. After that, I want to replace the carburetor with the EFI, Sniper EFI that I have, and have presented in previous videos. And I want to get the fuel pump on there as well. I'm gonna fix the brakes. They're okay at best, but they definitely need to be fixed. He has a radio as well that he was kind enough to give me, and the wiring kit that's gonna amp up the car and make it a lot better as far as the wiring is concerned. So I'm gonna replace the trunk and ignition key switches. I have those. He gave me those as well. I'm gonna fix and replace the suspension. Already have those components. I'm gonna sand, fill, Bondo the exterior underneath the car though. I'm gonna take it to my boy. He's gonna undercoat it and weld it up, make it nice and sturdy. Although there isn't really signs of rot under the car or on the chassis. The seats suck. They're horrible. I hate them. Those are going to be replaced, as well as the visors and the armrests. So we have our work cut out for us. Yep. Make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to be posting maybe 2 videos a week. Try and bang this thing out. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so that you can see our future videos. And we'll see you later. Alright, so for today, guys, we are going to work on getting the car ready for Street Car Takeover. I'm going to start off with the body because that seems like the simplest thing to do. I'm going to sand it down using this here sander. I also have an orbital sander that I'm going to be using. I just want to use out these sandpaper that I have. I have quite a few of them that the guy that I bought this from gave to me. So that's it. Let's get to it. Let's get this thing done and ready for streetcar takeover. All right. All right. Doesn't look too bad. I used the big gap filler from Walmart. You use those generally for pipes and stuff like that, but I wanted it to fill these big gaps in the body. One can actually filled up most of my holes. I was very unplanned on the first one, so it kind of looked like shit, and I had to use paper towel to hold it together. But once it hardens up, I should be good. I'm just gonna cut off what I can of it, and then I'm gonna sand it down and use Bondo to fill in the little tiny pores that it creates. See, if you look at the other ones I did, don't look too bad. Fills up the gap, does the job. Let's go to the other side, check those out. Oh, look, nice big 409. Here, same thing on this side. Not too bad, a little overfilled, but it gaps everything out. Once I sand it, it'll be good to go. And this was the one that I was most worried about, was this one, but it actually turned out very, very well. There's a hole inside the car from the inside, so that kind of helped. So I let it rip tater trip from in there. But overall, it turned out okay. As you guys saw, I sanded the top over here just to get most of the rust off. Once that stuff hardens up, I'm gonna give it like a day or two. Wednesday I'm off work, and I'll use 80 grit on that and sand this bitch down, and maybe give it like a primer just to stop the rusting, if there is any. All right, not too bad though, right?
Welcome.
foam. So I sanded all the foam off. Wow, much better. Same thing over here. Oh wow, looks really good. Now I'm just gonna body filler this baby and we'll be good. But I'm gonna hold off on that. I gotta get the engine bay cleared out and figure out what this electrical issue we're having is. Here you go. Looks great. And now I'm about to get the shop vac and vacuum off this whole area. All the grime and nastiness is there. Get that cleaned up. Possibly even take the intake manifold off when I get the carburetor off for this weekend's big sniper EFI job. And hopefully we'll get it done.
Why did you take my light? The darkness will not
I just want to take the time to thank everyone for watching the video. I know it's been a while since I posted videos, but I want to be back. And we'll call these series of YouTube videos Road to Streetcar Takeover. Hopefully more events to come once we get this baby up and running. Hopefully by the end of the week the car should be good. Kind of sort of spray painted. Nothing too crazy. And I really want to figure out what's wrong with my welder, because for some reason it doesn't want to weld at all, and I gotta get that fixed because it's gonna be an issue if I can't weld. But hopefully we'll get that taken care of. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you later.